In Wrapstyler, clones and patterns are two types of elements that can be easily confused. First, a pattern is the original result of the flattening of a trim part. A pattern will only be displayed on calculation sheets, recognizable to their gear-shaped icon. Even if the project contains several calculation sheets, a pattern is a unique element and can only appear on one of the sheets. Thus, if you move it from one sheet to another, it will disappear from the first one. Clones, on the other hand, are copies or instances of patterns. They can be displayed on cutting, assembly, or rendering sheets. Only the clones on the rendering sheets can be displayed in the 3D view. The ones on the cutting and assembly sheets cannot, as indicated by the crossed-out eye icon in the Project Explorer. Since clones and patterns are linked, any change to one will be reflected in the other. Here, we can see that the modification of the flap of this clone is automatically reproduced on the corresponding pattern. However, the position and angle of the patterns and clones are specific to the sheet in which they are placed. Moving a pattern on its calculation sheet will not move any of its clones on their sheets. When in doubt, simply hover over the element. Wrapstyler shows, in the corner of the 3D and the 2D views, if it is a pattern or a clone.